Calibration for ultrasonic thickness testing (UTM) is crucial to ensure accurate and reliable measurements. The process typically involves setting up the ultrasonic thickness gauge correctly using known reference standards. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to calibrate it. 1. Select the correct calibration standard. Use a calibration block with known thickness values. The material of the calibration block should be the same as the test material to account for variations in sound velocity. 2. Set the correct sound velocity. Ultrasonic waves travel at different speeds in different materials. Use the manufacturer's velocity chart or measure the velocity from a sample of the same material. 3. Adjust the 0 point. Apply coolant to the transducer and place it on the zero calibration block, often a metal step wedge or known thickness standard. Adjust the device to read 0 when the probe is in the air and the correct known value when placed on the block. 4. Perform 2-point calibration recommended. Measure to known thicknesses. One thin section, for example, 2 millimeters or 0.08. One thick section, for example, 10 millimeters or 0.4. Adjust the gain and delay settings to match the actual thickness. 5. Check linearity and sensitivity. Ensure that the device gives accurate readings across different thicknesses. Perform a probe delay adjustment if needed. 6. Verify accuracy. Measure another known standard after calibration to confirm accuracy. If measurements deviate, repeat the calibration process. 7. Recalibrate periodically. Regular calibration is required, especially when switching materials, changing probes, operating in extreme conditions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.